Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are still going to be taking tours in Sienna, formerly known as Sienna Plantation. Now this master plan community has over 15 different builders, and the builder that we are going to view today, it is Toll Brothers. Now Toll Brothers has 3 different collections in Sienna. Now this collection is going to be the Select collection, and the home behind me is called the Draper. Now the Draper, it is a 4-bedroom 3-bathroom home, and it is a little over 3,000 square feet. Now the starting price was around $400,000, and since then the prices have increased and they have not released the new prices yet. So don't worry, if you have any questions regarding the pricing of this particular home, definitely leave them below. Now before we take a tour of this beautiful home, we are going to take a quick tour of the community to see what amenities the residents have access to. Now remember, Sienna has 4 schools on site, which means inside their communities. There are 2 elementary schools, 1 middle school, and 1 high school. And actually right across the street from this community, this section, it is the middle school and one of the elementary schools. So we are going to take a quick tour of this home, but before we go, I do need to tell you who I am in case you do not know. I am Linda Blue, your new construction consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Now please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell to be notified of new videos weekly of new construction homes in the Houston and the Metroplex area. All right guys, let's go ahead and take the quick tour of the video of the community, and then we'll go ahead and do a tour of the home. And we're back. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this Toll Brother home located in Sienna. If you have any questions, make sure you do leave them below and I will definitely answer them. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.